Today we're going to look at the Delta Math subject Parabolas, standard form coefficients. This question asks you which equation best matches the graph shown below. If I were going to solve this problem, the first thing I would do is look at the a values and compare their concavities. So I know that this graph, because it is shaped up like a smiley face, it is concave up like a cup, which means that it will have a positive a value. So I know A will be positive because it's shaped like this. So that means I can immediately cross out negative 4x squared and negative 4x squared. The next thing I would look at, because this is in standard form, is my y-intercept. So I can see right here that it crosses through the y-axis at negative 2. So I know that my y-intercept is negative 2. Therefore, because the y-intercept is the c value, we know that y equals 4x squared plus 8x minus 2 is our answer.